Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video, we will learn what are the migration in Laravel. In the previous video, we have already learned what are the joins in Laravel and why we use the join in Laravel. So in this video, we will learn what are the migration in Laravel and why we use the migration in Laravel. So for that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in the previous video, you can see. So let us see how to create the migration in Laravel. Actually we use the migrations to create the tables in Laravel. We can create the tables in Laravel manually, but this is not a good practice. Actually Laravel provides you can create the you can create the migrations, and also we can say that you can create the tables in Laravel by using the migrations. Laravel provides the migration commands. You can use the migration commands to create the table in Laravel. So let us see how to create the migration in Laravel. Actually there are many ways to create the migration in Laravel, but we will use a single command to create the migrations and model in a single command. So let us see how to create the migration in Laravel. For that we need to open the command prompt and write the command php artisan make model and the name of the model. For example, we want to create the model blog and enter the space. After that hyphen m. Hyphen m means it will create the model blog also, as well as it will create the migration blogs in a single command. Enter. Now you can see model is created successfully and migration is created successfully. So let us open the project, database, migrations, and now you can see blogs migration is created, and as well as inside the models folder, you can see the blogs model is created successfully. So in this way we have learned in a single command to create the migrations and model. So let us see how to create the columns in the blogs table. String, and we will pass inside this name of column, for example title, and in the next string description we will write the short name. So save this file. So let us see how to run the migration. For that we need to write the command php artisan migrate. So first of all let us see, you can see there is no blogs table. You can see no blogs table. So let us enter. Now you can see migrating blogs table. So let us refresh it again. Now you can see one blog table is created successfully inside this database, and also it's have the record in the migration table, blogs table. So in this way we have learned how to create the model and also migration in a single command. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.